I'm Sophina Uong from Mister Mao in New Orleans. Today we're going to be making Pani Puri with a potato masala, tamarind chutney, and firewater. Mister Mao is what we call a tropical roadhouse. It's kind of like a Mexican disco. Our food is eclectic. We lean into Mexican, Southeast Asian, and Indian. My take on a Pani Puri is made with potato masala and chickpeas. We finish it with tamarind chutney, firewater, and some Louisiana strawberries. Start with frying these Pani Puri shells that you can get on Amazon, or if you're lucky enough to be near an Indian market. These are amazing. They're made out of semolina and wheat, and they're really versatile. You're just going to open up your puri, so you want to later fill this in with the potato masala and the chutney. To make the potato masala, I have a pretty hot pan. I'm going to take about a tablespoon of black mustard seeds. When they start to pop and turn gray, you'll know that the oil is ready to add the other ingredients. I am going to add some urad dal, which is a split lentil. So when you toast these, they become super crunchy. It adds texture. It gives off a really nice nutty aroma. As they start to pop, we're going to add some cumin, some kashmiri chili powder, salt, and these cooked potatoes. You can use any potato. You can use russet or Yukon Gold. Saute that all together and add some cooked chickpeas. I'm also going to add some dried lime that just gives us really nice depth and also some acid. We're also going to add black salt, which is kind of like a sulfurous Indian salt. And then we have asafoetida, it has turmeric, rice powder, and tree resin. At Mister Mao, we serve a really spicy, we call it firewater, but we make it out of cilantro, mint, serrano chilies, and some roasted cumin, and also the black salt. Chuck everything into a blender with lots of water, and then you just want to strain it so you have a nice green herbaceous liquid. And now we are going to stuff the puris. We have some fried chickpeas that I like to put at the bottom. It kind of adds a little more crunch and texture to the final dish. We have our potato mixture. At the restaurant, we normally put this into a piping bag, but you can just use a spoon, and you just want to press the potato masala down with your thumb. Once the panties are filled, take some of this tamarind chutney, and you just want to fill in all the holes. The tamarind chutney adds sweetness to balance out all of the chilies and the mustard and cumin. We also like to use strawberries. Sometimes we use pickled blueberries just to kind of give a little bit more sweetness to this, a little balance and some color. And then use some micro cilantro. We like a lot of herbs at the restaurant. It just looks way prettier. I'm Sophina Uong of Mister Mao in New Orleans, and this is my take on Pani Puri.